Scram, Granny! My forehead is like a sweaty slice of pizza. And while I love pizza, I hate oily skin. Fortunately, thanks to Setz, the blotting paper of the future, I can take care of oily skin with just a few gentle swipes. You can learn more at Setz.Beauty.com.
Oily skin is like a guy sliding into your DMs. It shows up randomly, uninvited, and overstays its welcome. But Setz can clean it up easily.
All right, party people, let's see you on your feet.
Even though radiant is a term used to describe inward beauty, I'm pretty sure they didn't mean sending out the friggin' bat signal.
Hey, will you get that freaking flashlight out of my eyes?
Fortunately, Setz comes in a small, single-use packet that can go anywhere with you to solve those sticky situations. It's hot in here, huh? Plus, every Setz oil blotter comes preloaded with translucent powder, made to mattify and set your makeup easily, giving you that fresh, shine-free look. You literally can reset your makeup anytime, anywhere. Here's how it works. You'll want this.
Your skin needs oil, but that doesn't mean it needs to produce it like an Italian olive press. But even when it does, with Setz, all you have to do is rip, pull, and blot.
Why can't I just use this?
Well, for starters, it's for your butt. But also because 1, Setz can hold up to 7 times its own weight in oil. 2, it has the perfect dose of powder included. And 3, Setz is made to reset your makeup. Blotting paper is not. Plus, it also is available with SPF 30.
You're right. Can I try one of those?
Yes, you may. So head over to Setz.Beauty.com to buy a pack today. And really, Setz is just about being ready for any time you want to look fresh or need a makeup reset.
Gosh, I look like a lens flare.
So don't turn into an unwanted spotlight filter. Get a pack of Setz today, and you'll be ready for a whole lot of tomorrows.
Let's try that again.
Nailed it. And ladies, to be clear, oily skin is nothing to be ashamed of. It's caused by all kinds of different things. Genetics, eating habits, even hormonal fluctuations. It affects more than just you. At least he saw me.
Hey! Sorry!
And you don't just have to believe me because I have oily skin and love to use Setz, but because Setz has also been featured in all kinds of publications like Cosmo, Marie Claire, US Weekly, InStyle, and more. Plus, Setz is manufactured with 100% renewable energy, and they're completely recyclable. It's destroying oil and saving the world all at the same time. So, whether you're taking a lunch break to go to the gym, getting ready for a hot date, or just wanting to reset your makeup in the middle of a long day, then you should go to Setz.Beauty.com and try them right now.
Ain't that right, Calvin?
Dogs never lie.